Good morning, everybody. This is Lizzy's Alkaline Kitchen, just checking in to say hello. Got everything this is how I do the living room in the morning. Well, partially how. Get little stations set up for her. We're taking an easy morning, so this morning we're watching Sesame Street. She's going to do her lessons this afternoon. And today, yes, you got your stack. You can stack them and clack them. Good girl. So I wanted to show you guys something that I'm working on here. I'm working on going through the entire nutritional guide, and I'm grading nutritional values, calories, proteins, vitamins, minerals, everything. And I'm going to sort it out so that we can start doing some weight gain diet plans here and some meal plans. I've been getting a lot of questions about that. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. In the same way, if you were not vegan, vegetarian, or Sebian, the way you count your calories, and it's the same way for us, except we do more protein and calorie/carb counting than anything, because that's our weight gain. But I'm going to work on this today. I'm going to have it finished by tonight, guys, so that I can show you tomorrow how to do your nutritional guide in order to do your meal plans, in order to basically stay on top of your goals, you know. Being Sebian doesn't mean you drop all your goals. You're just doing it in a more healthier way. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing this. I've got a couple created already, but I want to show it to you all at once. I love you guys. I hope everyone's having a good morning. I hope you're fasting, and I hope that everybody is eating healthy today. Fruits, waters, and herbs in the morning, vegetables in the afternoon with your fruits, and in the evening throw it all together with some grains, and you are good to go. That's eating in rhythm, everybody. So I hope you're eating in rhythm so that your melatonin can secrete properly at night, and that's so that you can get the proper amount of rest. And then fasting becomes very simple when you're not tired. So we're having toss the books down so we can pick one and read it moment here. So we're about to read our playtime book. Oh, by the way, guys, I am working on finding some. So far, I have found 0 Sebian nutritional books for kids. So I am going to make one. Yeah, y'all heard me say it. I'm going to make a children's book for babies and infants that teaches them about fruits and vegetables and how to eat, but it's going to be Sebian. So look out for that too. I love you guys. I got a lot of work going on for us, a lot of amazing projects. Today, just recap, we're going to be doing the nutritional guide for the meal plan, and I'm going to start working on a children's version, a children's book on how to teach our kids how to eat. We're going to recreate that pyramid. You guys know that pyramid that we learned when we were kids? And it's got the food pyramid with all the different sections of what you're supposed to eat and how much you're supposed to eat. As Sebians, we know that entire pyramid is pure BS. So I'm going to create one that is made out of the truth. And I'm going to share that with you guys. I love you guys. Peace, blessings, and as always, namaste. And thank you for visiting Lizzy's Alkaline Kitchen by Lizzy B. Gold. Have a good morning, everybody.